right, confirm the load balance on Sector 4.
Balancer confirmed. Moving to tension check.
Green light on the starboard crane, slow lift initiated.
The tension reading is stable at 500 kilonewtons.
Matches the schematic.
We are clear for deployment on this section.
Maintain ascent rate. Watch the red lines.
12,500 feet. Cables holding steady.
How's the pressure on line 4? Holding steady, Captain. Looking good. Lower starboard side, easy now. Hold at 10 meters. Confirmed secure.
All right, bring her down another meter. We are aligned on the starboard side. Easy pressure now. Set her down gently.
The AR shows significant degradation along this seam.
We need to cross-reference the original plating specifications.
I'm looking at the blueprint now. Comparing the cross-section here to the sonar data, the structural integrity seems consistent with the original design.
Image stabilized. Firing now.
Confirmed. Logging coordinates 47B. The pitting here is severe.
Image stabilized. Firing now.
Confirmed. Logging coordinates 47B. The pitting here is severe.
All right, easy now. Set her down on the red bin.
Red bin confirmed. Logging as valve 34B, section gamma.
This timeline is aggressive. We need to ensure the deep sea habitat rotation aligns perfectly with the structural reinforcement schedule.
Bring her up slow, steady on the starboard side. We have clearance.
Watch the cradle. Keep it level.
Reading is stable at 99.8.
Confirmed on the grid alignment.
There it is. The high-resolution feed confirms significant fatigue lines running along the lower rivets.
We are seeing clear evidence of preferential localized corrosion along the grain boundaries. This explains the rapid degradation.
Lower impact, starboard side, easy. Hold it. Set her down now. Check the alignment right here, just a hair to the left.
Got it. Making sure the spacing matches the blueprint now.
The measurement is 42 inches.
Confirmed. Let's get the beam set. Check the readings here against the schematic. We need to maintain this exact pressure.
Understood. I'll monitor it closely.
Align the next gear assembly to the coupling point.
It's set. The tolerances look good. Just a little tighter there. Perfect. Now for the data lines.
Bring her up another 10 cycles.
Copy that. Increasing steam flow.
The new dials are holding steady. Cross-reference with the digital readout.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
We are clear for final approach on the keel joint.
Copy that, lead. All green on my end.
The starboard side is perfectly aligned within the micron tolerance.
Confirmed. The laser calibration is holding steady across the grid.
Seam alignment checked. Zero deviation confirmed at this point.
All stations, we are approaching the hull. Maintain current lift speed and monitor stress levels.
Perfect response time. The restoration is a complete success.
The lock is solid. We are right on course at 280 degrees.
Confirmed, Doctor. Navigation systems fully operational.
The lock is solid. We are right on course at 280 degrees.
Confirmed, Doctor. Navigation systems fully operational.
Perfect response time. The restoration is a complete success.
The airflow is perfectly laminar, right on specification. Confirmed. The dissipation is excellent, well within the comfort parameters.
Keep the temperature steady right here. We need a perfect cure.
Maintain current speed, Tug 1. We have clearance.
Roger. Pressure holding steady. Looks good up here.
Make sure that's tight, son. Yes, sir, that's tight, son. Yes, sir, locked in. We have green across the board.
Engine sequence initiated. Pistons engaging. We have achieved rhythmic movement.
Everything appears to be in order, Chief.
Aye, Captain. She's ready.
Everything appears to be in order, Chief.
Aye, Captain. She's ready.
Look at how the light catches the waves. It is magnificent. I shall never forget this moment.
Hold it right there, slow and steady. Perfect alignment. Now secure the clamps.
Look at that, Grandpa.
Absolutely magnificent.
Look at the size of that crankshaft.
It's incredible they managed to restore it so perfectly.
It's the whole ship.
Tap here. Let's see the inside.
Dad.
That shows how they found it deep underwater.
Look, it's the whole ship.
Tap here. Let's see the inside.
Dad.
That shows how they found it deep underwater.
Look at the size of that crankshaft.
It's incredible they managed to restore it so perfectly.